Today we're looking at part number 181899. This is your 10,000 pound cotter pin for your 10,000 pound spindle axles that take the cotter pins and castle nuts. This cotter pin will work on Cotter axles, Lippert axles, Rockwell American Quality, Hayes, Alco axles. Just a standard cotter pin there. I'll show you how long it is real quick. It's going to be 2.67, and we sell these in bulk or individually. So if you need them in bulk, we have them in bulk for you at bulk prices, or you can just buy one if you need one. You can get these at trailerpartsunlimited.com. Give us a call at 844-898-8687, or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. Thank you.